If you need to extract a zip file in Hostinger, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to open Hostinger's file manager, find your zip archive, and extract it into the correct folder step by step. This is super useful if you've uploaded a website backup, theme, plugin, or any compressed file that needs to be unpacked before it can be used. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left side or main menu and click on Websites. This will display all of the websites connected to your Hostinger account. From there, find the site you want to work on and click the dashboard button next to it. This takes you directly into the management area for that specific website, which is where you'll find the tools you need. Next, look for File Manager and click on it. Hostinger's File Manager lets you browse through your server folders just like you would on your computer. This is where your uploaded files are stored, and it's also where you can manage, move, delete, and extract archives. Once File Manager opens, go to the folder where your zip file is stored. In many cases, this will be the public /HTML folder, especially if you're working with the main files of your website. If your zip file is inside a different directory, just open that folder instead. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct location before you continue, because extracting files into the wrong folder can make them harder to find later. Now locate the zip file in the file list. When you find it, right-click on the file to open the Action menu. In that menu, click Extract. Hostinger will then ask where you want the contents to go. You can usually leave it set to the current folder if you want the files unpacked right there, or you can choose as a subfolder if you want to keep everything organized. This is especially helpful if you're extracting a backup, template files, or a folder structure that needs to stay separate from other website content. After confirming the destination, click Extract again to begin the process. Hostinger will now unpack the archive and place the extracted files into the folder you selected. Depending on the size of the zip file, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once it finishes, you should see the extracted files appear in your directory. At this point, you can open the folder and verify that everything was unpacked correctly. If you uploaded a website file, theme, or plugin, this is the moment to confirm that all the needed files are present and in the right place. And that's it. You've successfully extracted a zip file in Hostinger. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when managing website files. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Hostinger tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.